grab the lead. All points so far from Anthony, but his partner wants to get a couple as well. Pass it out to Gabo, who's been playing well. That's a three. 3 straight threes para sa batang pero umuulan dyan sa loob ng AUM a few moments ago.
Do we say game face of game hair? Hindi mo na alam kung ano sasabihin mo ngayon.
The game look.
Game look, game look na lang.
Pockets na eh.
Para safe, game look.
JV Mocon, steady, comes in, hits a basket. Inilapit ng konti, in the lane, kaliwa ginamit, bitin, andyan yung kanyang partner. Put back sana, pero may tulak raw, loose ball foul. If it's on C-stand,
This is second.
that's his second, right? Sean Anthony on the layup, bounces in, para kay Sean, looking for the foul.
This is a good timeout by Coach Caloy because he's got to shake up his boys. They are being out-hustled by this Northport Barangay guys.
Look at that layup, and he got the luck. Like a short two for Nabong.
Immediately, Northport's transition defense over there. Oh,
Oh, and look at that.
Woo!
He lofted on the other end, and now he fouls on Ubere on this side.
he's got some words to say kay Kelly.
So mahabol itong rain or shine. They've steadied the ship here in the second quarter.
Oh, very steady, very steady. Composed in the paint,
Down to just 3 and lamang ng Northport was 11 at one point.
and it just slowed down the
More
offense.
exciting.
C-stand against Bo Belga. Finally gets a field goal. Chance for a 3-point play para kay Stan Hardinger. He must feel really good.
Yeah, look at that. That face says it all. Na parang finally, I get a shot in.
Kita niya yung Sean Manganti. There's one thing that he's got. Bo Belga. Gets the 3. Bakbakan sa ilalim. Bagsak si Otto Mere. No whistle. And Sean Anthony
Hold
does
this
it.
lead at a minimum. They will be in a good spot in the fourth quarter.
Going glass. Sean Anthony finally gets 2 on the board with 13 points.
And we've heard that buzzer go off so many times this afternoon, but wow, a relapse in the defense. A lapse in the defense there. Miscommunication on both Sean's, Sean Manganti and Sean Anthony.
Well, since nag 5-0 kanina, yun yung last lead, and now they get it back. Amazing play of the quarter, powered by Smart. I mean, regardless
Even Ryan
of the...
Aranya was making baskets kanina for Rainers.
Oh, ganda ng pasa, dakdak mula kay Gabe Norwood. But you gotta love the feed. Can you give half that credit to the passer, Bo Belga, one of the best at passing inside.
Continuously, Northport is
Mula kay
just
Christian Stan Hardinger.
Woo! Take a look at that sidestep by Bo Belga.
Look at Bo.
Flexes his muscle.
And Manganti looked and was wondering what he was gonna do, and it just...
Player nila next, well, JV Mocon as well. Because everybody else is contributing.
No, but there's someone heating up from 3. Kelly Nabong looks at the rain or shine bench. Tells them that's a 3, boy. Down to 5 points. Sean Anthony goes to Stan Hardinger. He lost it momentarily. Puts it up. It's a time ball game with 3.3 to go.
You gotta be kidding me. The whole game he struggled, and then when they badly needed his shots, it falls in.
And he was up in the air, lost his balance. Check it out. Desperation pass. He lost it. Volleyballed it to himself.
I mean,